Like being from Ireland, we don't really hear like an American perspective on the American U.S. foreign policy. So it was really great to hear that, and I definitely learned some stuff bring it back home. And I think going out of this, I'll have more tools and more confidence to actually use my voice and make a change.
Definitely nice to know that there's a lot more ways to make my voice heard and to ask more questions. I really enjoyed learning more about foreign policy. It's really good to see so many different points of views on the state of our world, knowing that there's many different right points of views that you can hear.
I think I kind of learned more about the process and that it's kind of a thing that like gradually happens over time.
I learned about some things that I did not know that were happening in the government, and some policies or things that hurt from being pushed through.
Learned that me, like as a high school student, I can still make a change and I don't have to be like some professional or like empowered to make a difference. This taught me that it's easy and I shouldn't be scared to like speak up and advocate for what I want.
All of the different perspectives they brought, whether they're Democrat or like Republican, and like where like that overlap is in between them.
And I also appreciated hearing about like the Iran war or the genocide in Palestine from people with families or like really close connections to those conflicts. It really gave me a whole nother level of understanding.
I like hearing like just a myriad of different people's perspectives, because even though a lot of the people who came in agreed, they all said something from their own background. They still differed on things, and I liked hearing just that variety.
Helped me realize that when the right group of people and the right outlets, like it's a lot easier than you think it goes to make your voice heard or to get in parliament.
That after we heard about like such awful tragedies, we could hear about the resilience and hear about the inspiring actions taking place all over the world and by these interesting visitors.
Also did not know that it was just that easy to like call people and like actually make them think personally. And I guess that changed my view on like normal people as well. Like we all seem to have power in the situation, and I met those really well. There really is strength in numbers, and if more people talk about these issues, then the more likely we are to be heard.